In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Apple's Find My app, exploring some neat tips, tricks, and hidden features. Whether you're an iPhone newbie or a seasoned Apple enthusiast, this guide will help you navigate the app with confidence. First things first, you'll need to open the Find My app on your Apple device. This is your gateway to keeping track of people, devices, and even some third-party accessories. It's a powerful tool for staying connected and ensuring the safety of your devices. Once you've got the app open, head over to the People tab. This is where you can share your location with friends and family. It's a fantastic way to coordinate plans or let your loved ones know where you are at any given moment. Simply choose a contact and share your location with them. It's that easy, and it gives peace of mind to both you and those who care about you. Next up, let's talk about notifications. You can set these up to receive alerts when someone arrives at or leaves a specific location. This is especially handy for keeping tabs on family members or meeting up with friends. Imagine knowing exactly when your kids get home from school or when your friends have arrived at a rendezvous point. Just head into their contact on the People tab and set up your notification preferences. Let's move on to the Devices tab now. Here is where you can locate all of your Apple gadgets connected to your Apple ID, whether it's your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook. You'll see them all here. This feature is a lifesaver if you're prone to misplacing your devices around the house or out and about. Simply tap on a device to see its current location on the map. In situations where your device is lost, don't panic. You can enable Lost Mode from the Devices tab. This helps you lock your device remotely, track its location, and even display a message for anyone who might find it. It's a crucial feature that can prevent unauthorized access to your personal information. Now, you might want to share your location temporarily or indefinitely. This can be done via Share My Location, whether you're sharing with friends for a few hours or keeping your family updated indefinitely. You can set your preferences easily within the app's settings. The Items tab is another great addition where you can track third-party accessories compatible with Find My. Just like with your Apple devices, you can keep an eye on these additional items too. Finally, to wrap up, make sure you regularly update all your Apple devices and iOS systems. This is vital for accessing the latest features and security updates. Keeping your software current ensures you're well equipped to make the most of the Find My app. And there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be a pro at using Apple's Find My app to stay connected and keep track of the important people and things in your life.